In this video, I want to highlight one feature of ALEKS, which is called the carousel. And also, I want to address a concern that several of the students have been having. So the concern that some of the students are having is that their number of topics learned isn't increasing. So for instance, right here, our current objective is Functions 1. It's due October 25th. This is a fake student account that I have. So this student right here has 47 topics to learn in the current objective, and they've only learned 4 of them thus far. So a student would think each time I learn a topic in ALEKS, my number right here, this 4, should increase. Well, yes and no. It depends what kind of topics they're working on. If they're working on a current goal topic, then yes, that number will increase. But if they're working on a prerequisite topic, that number is not going to increase until they get to the goal topics. So here's how you can tell what kind of topic you're working on. So I'm going to go back to my home page and click on Continue My Path, and this is where you find the carousel. So if you use this drop-down arrow right here, it opens up the carousel. And what this does is it shows you 3 topics at a time. So you can scroll to the right and see 3 more topics at a time. So notice this icon says that this particular topic is locked. That can mean one of 2 things. That can mean it's from a previous module and the due date has already passed, so it's locked. Or it could mean it's from a future module and we're not that far in ALEKS yet, so we're not ready to learn it yet. But any topic you see that has no icon right here, nothing whatsoever, that means it's a prerequisite topic. So what that means is that the student needs to learn that topic before he can go on to learn the current goal topics. So a prerequisite topic, it could be something from a past module. So remember the last module had 105 topics. Let's say a student only completed 70 out of those 105. Well, the ones they didn't complete could be prerequisites for the next module, because new topics, you obviously need the prior knowledge because everything builds upon it. It's a foundation. So you need your prerequisite topics to be able to learn the new stuff. So this particular topic might be a foundational skill to learn something in the next module. So the student can't start learning stuff in the next module until these prerequisite topics are taken care of. Now, a student who got all 105 out of 105 in the first module doesn't need to worry about this. But a student who left some topics unlearned might need to start cleaning up these prerequisites now before they'll see their current topics start to increase. So let's say a student was working on this integer addition, problem type 1 right here. So this box is highlighted. So that's what they're working on right here. So this is their learning page, and then they can start working on the problems. So you know this bar right here. So let's say they answer enough questions correctly and they fill up this bar and they get the award that says, congratulations, you've learned this topic. This is where students are getting confused because they think once they learn a topic that this number 4 right here should start to increase, but it's not. And so they're saying, well, why isn't my number of topics increasing? Well, it's because you just learned a prerequisite topic. You didn't learn a current goal topic. So yes, it's kind of discouraging because their number didn't go up, but they still have to take care of all those prerequisite topics before they can learn the current goal topic. So here's how you know what kind of topic you're working on if you're working on a current goal topic. Let's go back to that home page so we can see the carousel again. So I'm going to drop down the carousel. Now keep in mind this is my pretend student account, so this account doesn't get a lot of action. So notice there's a lot of things that are locked and there's a lot of prerequisites. So a student who's current in ALEKS will see a lot of these gems, this gem icon. That means it's a goal topic. So that means that's part of the 47 that they're currently working on. So, but notice it's also locked. It's probably locked because this student hasn't completed the prerequisites to be there yet. So once the student completes the prerequisites, this won't be locked anymore, and then they can access this goal topic. So this goal topic, once this is completed, or a topic with that goal icon, that gem, they call it a gem icon, once that is completed, then that's when they will see this number start to increase. So again, if your students are saying that ALEKS is telling them they learned a topic, but their number is not starting to increase, it's probably because they still have some prerequisite topics from the previous module that they need to take care of. So just encourage them to keep working on those prerequisites so they can get current on the current objective. The nice thing is our current objective only has 47 topics, so it's very likely that they can take care of those prerequisites and still finish all 47 before the due date.